Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. You know what, I woke up and I had this whole big thing I wanted to say. And then by the time I turned on my computer and got everything going, I've kind of forgotten everything I wanted to say. But this video is about when art isn't quite right and, just doing it anyway and finishing it anyway. So I feel like this video is not going to be one of my best ones or my strongest ones in terms of artwork, but some people might like it, some people might not. But I'm just kind of thinking I'm halfway through this, this whole challenge that I created for myself of making all these 31 videos, and it's really been a great challenge in terms of motivating myself to go and do it every day, because it's been massive to work a full-time 10-hour day and then come home, record a video, edit a video, which I'm not that fast at doing any of those things, and but I have been doing it, and it's been great in that sense of the word, although my results haven't been that great. And sometimes I feel like that is something that I deal with throughout across the whole of my life. Like, I feel at this stage in life, I'm 38 years old, I should be married, I should have a proper career or business or something, but here I am on YouTube with maybe a couple of viewers and a couple of subscribers, which I'm grateful for, and a job that I'm not going to say much about it because I'm grateful for it, but I can't exactly say that it's my first passion in life, because I know now my passion is making videos and art and living that life, and YouTube is the platform that I love to do that most. So I don't know why I'm saying all this in this video, but I really want to make it clear to people who watch this video how much it means to me. Have a great day. Thank you for watching, and happy being creative. Bye.